guys, and welcome to today's video. As you can tell from the title, today we are going to be unboxing my September Boxycharm. Oh my goodness, it's been a month already. I have not been spoiled on this box at all, so let's start seeing together what is in it. Is there a theme for this month? I'm not gonna look too close at that because I don't want to be spoiled, as I said. Okay, I'm gonna go for the first thing that I grab. Okay, we have a Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten. I have never tried a Laura Geller product before. I think this is one of these products that are sold in store in maybe like Ulta or something like that, that folks in the States have, but us here in Canada do not. So that's super exciting that I will get to try one of these products. My first impression on this is it looks very much like the Milani baked blushes, both in the way it's baked and there's the swirl of different colors in there. But I love the Milani baked blushes, so more than happy to give that a try. Going back into the box, I feel something that feels like brushes. Okay, yes. Oh, nice little brush set here. This is a trio of eye brushes from Alamar Cosmetics, who also did the really bright, beautiful colors palette that we received maybe about 3 months ago. I believe that was, I'm gonna forget the name of the palette, but I will link that review down below. I did do a review of it and showed a few looks from it, and I really enjoyed that, and I love the color of these brushes. It looks like there's a fluffy blending brush. I'll just pop it open. So this looks like a perfect trio of brushes. You've got a big fluffy one there to blend colors into your crease or do diffuse colors. The middle one there you can use for packing on colors, whether shimmers, wet, or mattes. And then this one over here looks perfect as a little squared off flat brush for lining the lower lash line with some color. Beautiful. I find I don't usually get that excited about getting brushes anymore in subscription boxes because I've received quite a few of them, but these specifically are all ones that I think I will really enjoy. Okay, I've got something, what is this? I've got a palette, a box, and then something that's an interesting shape. Okay, this is something from Butter London. A Glazin Lustrous Liner in the shade Disco. So it looks like there's some micro shimmer in here. It's a beautiful, fine little brush tip. So yeah, you're not going to be likely to see that. But it's basically a black liner with what appears to be blue micro shimmer in it. Going back in here again, I'm gonna leave whatever this palette-y thing is for last. What is this? Ooh, okay, it's a lipstick in a very interesting looking container. Look, it's like rolled up all the way in there. And yeah, this is from Hank and Henry. And it's got a little picture of an owl. Can I focus on that? An owl there on the bottom. And this is in the shade Petal Pusher. I feel like that was the shade of a drugstore lipstick lately that a lot of people really liked. This is a matte liquid lipstick. How is that possible? Oh, that's not a lipstick bullet. That is the dipper for this very wide liquid lipstick. Okay. Always fascinating to get a brand that I have never heard of before, so I'm looking forward to testing this. And the very last item that we have here is a palette, which is always exciting. Wow, it is a Pretty Vulgar palette. This is the Nightingale palette. That's absolutely beautiful, the outside of it. It looks like a little, you know, book. Oh, and it opens up this way with a nice big mirror. And okay, it looks very much like a neutrals palette. But that is really pretty. You know, I've actually seen these only online, not in person. I've kind of poo-pooed a little bit their aesthetic, which I still stand behind, but this actually looks a lot more beautiful and quality in real life than it looks like when you see the pictures of it online. So I think this will be used for a sort of 3-look kind of video that I will do a review of. Okay, I'm guessing this is going to be the priciest item in here, but we really did get a beautiful combination of like brands that people know, like Pretty Vulgar, Laura Geller, Butter London, and then also brands that are very new, like Hank and Henry and Alamar, even though we know it from getting their products in Boxycharm before. So finally in this video, let us see what the theme and also the prices of these items are. Wildflower appears to be sort of the theme. Okay, the Pretty Vulgar palette isn't that bad. It's a $35 American palette, which means it would be like closing in on 45-ish here in Canada. The Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten is a $28 blush. That is expensive, much more so than I expected it to be. The Alamar Cosmetics Ojito brush set, Ojito's brush set, $18 US. That's pretty reasonable as long as the brushes are good. The Hank & Henry Liquid Lipstick, which just is so funky, the packaging of it, has a price of $17 American. And then Butter London, the Glaze and Lustrous Liner, has a price of $19 American. And yeah, I am excited about all of these. This is a good month for me, hopefully for you too. So I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing. I hope if you have not gotten your Boxycharm, you are excited about what is coming in it. If you have tried any of these products or have anything to let me know about maybe what you would like to see me test first, leave all of that in the comments down below. I do respond to every comment that I get. If you got something different in your Boxycharm, let me know what you got. I know there tends to be variations now and I'd love to hear about it. And yeah, I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you have not subscribed to my channel but want to see more videos from me, you can click on my face. I will make it pop up right there. If you want to hit that bell, it will notify you of when I post, and I will also put another video up there so you can spend a bit more time with me today. Thanks so much and have a great day. Bye.